You and I.
Hey guys, it's Allison and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got tape and extensions for the very first time. So stay tuned on the journey of putting these in. Alright y'all, we out here. Ew, I'm ugly. We're going to be putting in extensions today. They match pretty well because I colored them. My friend Tiff's going to put them in for me. Really? We're going to be putting these extensions in and I'm going to document it. Oh my god. Alright, let's get this shit started. So the extensions I decided to purchase were the Irresistible Me brand. They also sent me a free straightener. With every hair extension purchase, you get to pick a free gift, and they were having a straightener for a free gift. So heck yeah, I was going to purchase that, so I can't wait to try that. So other than that, here are my extensions. I decided to get the light brown ones so that when I color them, then I will have the exact color of my hair color. So I got 3 packs of these. What's nice about these is that they give you an extra little sample so that if it doesn't color right or it's not the right color, then you can send them back and everything will be okay. They'll send you the right color. So here is me coloring my extensions. I did every single one of them and it took forever. So let's go ahead and put these in my hair.
What'd your mom say about you getting extensions?
I didn't tell her. So I brought my new cereal. Because I didn't want to wake up earlier, so I brought my own cereal.
I don't have cereal anyway.
I look great. So we are separating them all here. I say
me.
It's kind of crooked, it's fine.
Sublime. Nice straightening job. And I'm posting it on my story just so. Now how close do we do them? Like, I'm thinking like every inch.
I think so.
Because I'm going to start right here. First one's in.
Wow!
To be able to pull my
Yeah, girl.
So
Look, here's your tail.
Wow!
If you ain't talking money, I don't want to talk. There's
Whoa! So I hope we have enough. This is all we have left. We'll see. What? Sorry. Daddy, please. Oh my god. Oh my god, we might have enough. Slap your mama. I thought this was gonna take
Do we even time it?
way longer. No, I've only been here for half hour.
Extensions. My friend Allie.
Other side.
Girl, you be looking like a mermaid. Oh, no, there's 3
Like
here.
3, oh.
So 4 sets.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll be better.
We did it!
I'm trying to land like a half hour. Like
That's crazy. Let me go.
That looks really good. Like even.
Okay guys, here's what it looks like. Non-blended yet, and non-cut yet.
Oh,
What?
we lost one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep them in your purse.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna wear my hair straight that much because I don't really like my hair straight. So curling it's gonna look really good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, enough being dumb. Alexa, play Home by Blake Shelton.
Home by Blake Shelton.
Ow.
You got like sex hair.
Yeah, you do.
Big sex.
Whoa! along the course.
Oh my god, you're gonna die.
Wow, can we do this?
Wow.
It's so freaking long.
Done by yours truly.
Oh, let me go home. Thanks, bitch. So it blends pretty well. I think I'm gonna blend it just a little bit more here on the ends, just a tiny bit, because my front section is really layered right here, and you can somewhat tell. It's fine. Tiff, you did a great job, okay? But I love it. I'm so excited to actually like make myself look decent so these look a little bit better. So here is the end result with everything. I blended it a little bit more and curled it myself as well. It came out amazing. I was really nervous about getting extensions just because I wanted to make sure they blend really nicely. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and Friday, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!